Are you ready to discover the best tips and tricks to grow your Instagram following organically? I'm sure you want your video to go viral on Instagram. To make that happen, you need to make sure your video's size optimized and that you get maximum exposure for your content. You can do that by using popular hashtags and sharing your video across all your social media channels, targeting influencers, and participating in threads related to your topic, and creating a great thumbnail that will capture your viewers' attention. With these strategies, your video can easily become a viral hit. Growing an Instagram following can be a difficult task, but it doesn't have to be. With the right strategy, you can increase your followers without spending a single cent. Here are some tips to get you started. Number 1. Understand your target audience. Knowing who your target audience is and what they're looking for is key to creating content that resonates with them. Take the time to research who your audience is and what kind of content they're looking for. Number 2. Post consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to growing your Instagram followers. Make sure you post regularly, at least once a day if possible, to keep your followers engaged. Number 3. Create high-quality content. Posting content that is visually appealing and high quality is essential if you want to grow your followers. Invest in good photography equipment, use popular. Number 4. Use hashtags. Research popular hashtags in your niche and use them to help spread your content to a wider audience. This will help you reach potential followers who may not have seen your content otherwise. Number 5. Engage with your followers. Make sure to respond to comments and engage with your followers on a regular basis. This will help build relationships and encourage people to keep following you. Number 6. Network with influencers. Reach out to influencers in your niche and ask if they'd be interested in collaborating. This will help expand your reach and bring more followers to your account. Number 7. Promote your content. Share your Instagram posts on social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This will help increase the visibility of your posts and draw in more followers. Following these tips will help you grow your Instagram following organically. Once you've established a good following, you can start experimenting with paid ads if you want to take your Instagram growth to the next level. Paid ads are a great way to target potential followers who may not have seen your content otherwise. The key is to create targeted campaigns that focus on the demographics and interests of your target audience. Investing in paid ads will help you expand your reach and bring in more followers. Finally, don't forget to track your progress. Measure your growth by tracking key metrics such as engagement rate, followers, and interactions. This will give you an idea of what's working and what isn't, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. With the right strategy, you can grow your Instagram following organically. Put these tips into practice and you'll be well on your way to success. Remember to be patient and consistent, and don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Growing your Instagram following takes time and dedication, but if you stick with it, you'll be sure to see results. Also, don't forget to check out our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.